My ex-girlfriend, she got pissed at me and she like yanked all the strands out, so it f***ed up everything.
Oh, it's so damn cold. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got one of my favorite people in the whole world with me today. He's playing on his phone. What's up? What's up? Hey. All right, let's go. Let's. Ooh, okay. Look, so I'm super excited. We're doing a review on his truck today. He got his truck lifted, was it yesterday?
2 days ago.
2 days ago. He got his truck lifted 2 days ago, and we're gonna go take a look at his truck, but it's freezing cold and we're trying to wait for the rain to stop. But first, this is the first day that it's rained, and I've had the opportunity, no. And I've had the opportunity, while it's dying out on me, to go slide around in the single cab while it's raining. So this one should be pretty fun. So we're gonna ride up around the corner real quick. I'm gonna have Willie film for us, and we're gonna go have some fun in the single cab in the rain. My windshield wipers don't work. What do you think of the single cab? Do you like it?
Yeah, it sounds good.
It sounds like decent. It's not like...
It sounds better than my truck.
No, don't even do that. Don't even do that. All right, we're gonna pass the camera off to Willie. Willie's behind us. Look at it like behind us. Like, look at all the water it's throwing up. Like, it just literally, hold on. It's trying. Is that your phone?
Yeah, it was.
Did that look good?
That looked good.
That was fire as fuck.
Hell yeah.
Hey, that one was for him right there. Hell yeah. One more?
One more.
Is that loud?
Hell yeah, bro. That's just a... Oh god, that shit's rattling like hell.
Loud enough for them to like do down there?
Oh, you talking about the truck? Oh. Probably not. I don't know. Yeah, it is. Is it? Yeah, 100%, bro. That's not it. I'll take it in the middle. Hell yeah! Yes, sir.
Time to go. Time to go. Was that Jacob approved? Was that Jacob approved? Yeah. That was the best one I've ever done since I've had the single cab. Hey, that is proof right there, guys, that you can break a one-wheel peel rear end loose. It just needs to be raining, and you need to take your bed off, I guess. It's raining and it's cold, and I don't really care because I'm so freaking excited. I remember me and Jacob talking about this. And was it May?
Yeah, it was May.
In May. He wanted to get his truck lifted in May. So I'm gonna play a couple quick clips of when I first met Jacob. Jacob came and bought some tires from me, and we actually signed, is it still there? Yeah, we signed his truck, and it's actually still there. So, but this is Jacob's beautiful truck that he just got lifted. We're gonna do a full walk around, but we're gonna run over to the tent shop where we can hopefully pull it inside and really take a look at it. But he's got the same tires on the truck that I sold to him a couple while ago. I shouldn't have sold those to you. I should have just gave them to you. So I want to apologize because I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I was just trying to get rid of them, I guess. But let's run over to the tent shop and we'll get a better look at Jacob's truck. But I mean, at first glance, I love this thing. Stop playing. Come be in the video. He was in the video earlier. Every time my ears are getting cold, and this looks better than having like real long hangy like hoodie, you know what I mean? It's like, you know, you gotta. Jacob picked his truck up like 2 days ago, and we've been talking about this for like 6 months. When he first came to the tent shop, you know, and he picked up the tires for the first time, we had dreamed, just young boys dreaming of a lifted truck, of lifted life, just lifted everything. And here we are today. He's changing the lights. I love the all red. I love the all red. We're gonna take a walk around his truck. We're gonna look at all the best things, all the new things, and then we're gonna go get some Taco Bell later, because I think Taco Bell was, we were just talking about that. Taco Bell's definitely the move. So I always like to start with my favorite part of the truck, and absolutely my favorite part of the truck is the headlights. Guys out of Alabama did the headlights, and I'm gonna put all their information in the description below, so if you guys wanna check them out. But I absolutely, one of my favorite things about the cat eye front end is when people do headlights like this. Robert has some, but Roberts don't change colors. Robert, you need to get with the wave. Like, I love that these change colors, and I think they do like the Flow series too, don't they? They do like the, here, change it up for us. Let's see. I'm touching it like it's like boobs. It's like a nice set of boobs. Whoa. Oh, hell yeah. That's the move right there. See, this is why I want to do a cat eye front end swap on the single cab, because I feel like having these on the single cab would be so freaking cool. You got the clear side markers, the clear inside, and the Flow series LED strips. I mean, it does not get any better than that. I love that. We got some rock light, 12 rock lights, all red, even though they change colors. My favorite. Oh, look at you, putting on a show for me. Putting on a show. And then we got some 22x12 XF off-roads with the color matched Venom spiked lug nuts. We got the circular or the spiral cut in them, and these are like a purple color. And one of my other favorites is we got this, what are these, spinning or floating center caps? I think that's so cool. I can't wait to have some on the new setup when we get them. And then my second favorite, obviously, is the tires. We got the Nittos. These were actually put on the Tahoe at one point. We test fit them and they were just way too big. And I'm so glad that they made it to a nice home and we're able to see them again on the channel. 22x12s. We got a what are these? 325, 50, 22. So like, what was it? Like a 35x13, I think? Yeah. So like a 35x13. Sitting on a beautiful, beautiful, what color is it? Illusion purple FTS kit. Are we sitting at 7 or 9? 8, hell yeah. So we're not maxing anything out. We got all powder coated Illusion purple lift kit. We got the cross members, we got the sway bar links, and the brackets up top. Absolutely beautiful. I think the purple was a great choice. Ooh, it's like a candy cane. And we got the FTS dual reservoir shocks. I gotta make sure to say that right. I always mess it up. But we got the dually shocks back there. Ooh, chrome. Hell yeah. He's got wheel lights too, even though they're not on. Come on. My wheel lights were broke for a long time though, so I can't say anything at all. Your boy gets to drive the truck today. You like my new truck?
So there's a story about, I used to have the Starlight headliner and
you did?
Yeah, I ripped it out.
Why?
Because, so my ex-girlfriend, she got pissed at me and she yanked all the strands out, so it fucked up everything. My baby mama actually. We got in a really big argument about the kid and she was like, man, fuck you and your truck, and just ripped it out. And I was like, well, thanks.
Can I put this in the video?
Yeah, I don't care.
Great fun.
And I was like, well, thanks, it took me all night to do that. She was like, fuck you. And I was like, I love you though. So
look at this. It's fading.
It definitely is.
No. You gotta put some plastic over that or something. This is memorabilia.
Yeah, I was gonna get. I have a full center console, so I was gonna just frame it.
You don't. I will. She ain't that wide.
Not yet. Fuck, it's cold.
I'm telling you, I love the red wheel lights. I love that shit so much. I'm so glad that I finally got those fixed. Red license plate lights, tail lights, red wheel lights. The Definitely the move. Thank you guys so much for watching the video today. Make sure you guys go show some love to my boy on Instagram. Y'all, like, really, go follow him on Instagram. Go show some love. He's a mad, awesome dude. Super cool, super nice. And he's running the most sexy tires in the whole world because they came from your boy. Go show some love. Love his truck. Like his pictures. Follow him on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.